Welcome back to our channel. In this session, I am going to show you how to push code changes from Visual Studio to GitLab. So let's start now. So first of all, you guys should have a GitLab account. If you do not have, please visit to my channel. Under the GitLab playlist, you will get the video like how to create a GitLab account. And don't worry, it is completely free. You don't need to pay anything here. Okay, so this is my GitLab account. First of all, we'll have to create one blank project. So just click on the blank project here and provide a particular project name like project Visual Studio. So this is my project name. After that, you will have to select a project URL. If you have a project URL with your user or group, so I have my group, so I am going to select this one. But you can choose your user as well. Visibility level you can keep private or public, so I'll make it as a public so anyone can access this one. Then I'll keep the initialize repository with readme file. After that, just click on the create project. Then you will get the UI like this one. The project vs was successfully created. Now you can see here, you will get our branch. We have only one branch with the main one, and we have only one file here, readme.md. So for our understanding purpose, I'm going to create a one sample file here. So I'll click on the plus icon and I'll click on the new file. So when I click on the new file, it will ask me the file name. So I'll ask sample.txt and we have to provide some content here. So just I'll add a small sentence. Hi guys. That's it. Then after that, just I'll click on the commit changes. I'll provide the commit message, added new file. It's committing, commit is going to be in main branch. And just click on the commit changes. Once you click on the commit changes, these changes will be reflected under the main branch only, under the sample.txt file. Okay, now this is our GitLab task has been done. Now our second task is we'll have to install our Visual Studio. So if you guys are using Windows, just you will have to visit to the Google and just type Visual Studio code and download the Visual Studio for Mac, Linux or Windows based on your operating system. So I am using the Windows, so I have installed this one. Now you can see. Now I want to clone the remote repository to my local repository. So how can I clone that? Now simply here there is option like clone git repository. So this is the one option here, or otherwise you can use from your source control as well. So if you click on the source control, you will get the two option, open folder and clone repository. So just click on the clone repository. Here one pop-up will show like provide repository URL or pick a repository source. So where we'll get the repository URL? So just we have created one repository, right? And we have created one sample.txt file. I want this remote repository to my local system. So how can I just will have to copy the HTTPS URL. Now right side you will see the code button. Just click on it and you will get clone with HTTPS. Just copy this one, go back to Visual Studio and under the clone repository just provide it and hit enter. Now it will ask you the particular destination where you want to clone this repository. So I want to clone this repository under my desktop, and I already have a one of the directory like project one project. I select this project. So once I select this directory, it will show you cloning it repository. So now my cloning has been done. Now it will show you the one pop-up. Would you like to open the clone repository? If you want to open here, fine. If you want to open in new window, you can click this one. So I want to open it here only. So just I'll select this one. So once you click on the open, it will ask you, do you want to trust the author of the file in this folder? Yes, I trust the author. Then you will get your data here. See the project vs, this is our repository name, readme.md. This is our file and sample.txt which we have created. Now you can see it here. Now how we can push the changes from here to GitLab? How we can do like what we are doing using the CLI, like git add, commit, push, pull, revert, merge. Everything we can do it here without using the command. So on the left hand side you can see source control is here. Just click on it here and you can see there is a more action, and you can see everything is there like pull, push, clone, checkout, fetch, commit, changes, push, pull, branch, remote stash, tag, and other things. Correct. So everything we can do it here. So currently we have this content. Hi guys. Just I will modify this content. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So I have added this content. Just I am going to save it using the control S. So when I do the control S, it will show changes. Now you can see one changes here it is showing, and this is sample.txt. Right side you will see the modified. The content has been modified under the sample.txt. Means something has been happened in the working area. Got it? Now I want to add these changes. Means I want to go on the next step. So you can see here the plus icon. Just click on the plus icon. Now currently it is in state. Now working area done. Now staging area done. Suppose I want to go back to my working area. You can unstage these changes using this minus again. If you click on the minus symbol, now again you are in working area. Okay. So this is the one thing. So I am again clicking on the plus icon. Now I am under the staging area. Now it will ask me the commit message. So I have modified this file. So simply I will add modified file. Okay. And when I click on the commit button, it will create one commit ID as well. So it will help us to check the logs, and user can validate that like what changes has been done with this commit ID. Okay. So my commit has been done. You can see initial commit with the one file change 93 insertion plus. Okay. So after that, I want to push the changes to the my main branch because we do not have any branch here. Okay, so we are still using the main branch. That's why it is showing the origin or main. So just click on the sync changes and it will show you the pop like it is going to be push or pull under the main branch. So I am fine with that. So just click on OK. After that, it will ask you one pop-up like your GitHub or GitLab username and password if you haven't configured those things, but I already configure my username and password, so it will not ask me. So it is directly going to be push the changes to my remote repository. Okay. So now you can see commit changes on main branch. So let me validate that. Let's go back to the remote repository and refresh the changes. So when I refresh this page, you can see sample.txt with this last commit message modified file. Let's open it and see. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the way guys we can use Visual Studio to push, pull and do the other changes without using the command. I hope guys you like this video and understood these things. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next session.